Hey everyone, Lenny Bonds here from Purposely Pixel. Today I'm just going to do a little 4K 60 frame per second test and just drop it onto YouTube. No video editing, no nothing. It's a beautiful day here in New York City. There's some trees. I'm in my backyard right now. Show you my dog. He's right here. He's looking at me saying, what the heck is this guy doing? I'm filming him. Let me know about the quality, the detail. Let me know how it transitions. Let's go back up, check the sky out, the HDR. Let's go into the sunlight here. Here's direct sunlight. There it goes. Let me know how it handles the shadows and everything. Let's try a little focus test. I have my dog's ball here. I'm going to put it up in front of the screen. Okay. Okay. Seems to be working pretty good, but you let me know. Let me go 2x zoom. Tell me the quality. We're right into the sun right now. We'll be walking forward. Take the 2x zoom off. Walk around. Like I said, tell me how the sky looks. Get close to this tree over here. We'll do a 2x zoom on it. This is 2.6x zoom. That's 2x zoom. Check out some trees over here. That's 2x zoom. This is regular. Some little flowers over here. We'll go 2x zoom. Let me know how the colors are. Like I said, I'm going to load this right up onto YouTube. No editing, no doctoring, anything. Let me know the sound. Let me know your thoughts. This is Lenny Bond signing off from Purposely Pixel.